Alright, well, we started that one there. What is it? It's 11/14/27 February 2024, right? And let me start this one here. Square that up. As square as I can get it. Hit live on that. Okay, we're live, yay! Alright, so this is a, let's see here. Today is, what is today? I don't know. I just said it a second ago. Okay, it's 11/15/24, no. What's today's date? 27 February 2024. There we go. This is an Ion, here's an Ion Boombox Deluxe, alright. Had to charge it up, and just to show you that it's really not plugged in, the thing plugs in right here, okay. And this is the battery compartment, okay. So there's the battery compartment. There is no batteries in the battery compartment, alright. Put that back on. And what you do is you turn it on. It's on, well, it's on, it's here. Tape, so eject, get your favorite tape, put your tape in, hit play, and well, wait, well, that's funny. Was playing this other tape really nicely. Maybe it doesn't like that tape. Here, let me throw this in real fast. There, so. Red sails in the sunset. Okay, I don't know what that is. But it likes that tape. It doesn't like this tape. Okay, fine. Then you can put it on the radio, right? So.
He's putting his phone down. I don't believe it. Now.
Anyway, the radio works. Then you put it on this.
Bluetooth connected.
And it's connected to my phone over here, right? But we're not going to do that. We're going to take a, I found a 1 gig thing here, so take that, you stick that in here, and then what do you do? And then you hit this button here, right? So it's already on Bluetooth. Well, there we go. And now we changed it. Now we tell it to hit play. Well, it's playing already. Wait, that was pause. Here. So now it's playing. And to make it jump a song or two, so we're playing off of that right there. Okay, so it's got bass, treble, and stereo, bass boost. Anyway, let me just put this down over here on top of something else, and let me get to this box here. That's a GF-9494 in the back, right there. Tape deck doesn't work. Works perfectly otherwise. It's for sale. Got this because, well, it's the one step down from that model, aka GF-9494. However, it's a Japanese model, unlike that one there. That one's world, anyway. Okay, so here. This is well packed. Okay. So now, anything else in the box, right? So just this looks like it's double boxed. So they packaged it with the handle left. Okay. Oh, it came with a power cord. Yay! Hello. I'm shooting a video, so I'm going to close my door. Alright, so now, let's see here. Now let's see here. Okay, so it looks like this. Let's see here. Those move easily. That moves easily. Okay. Okay, so that's the power on and off switch. Both antennas. There we go. So let me get a power cord I was just using. Okay, so right here. Turn this thing off. Off. Okay. Alright, so the radio's on. That's, I think, auxiliary. Okay, this is FM. So.
That's the extent of the response at this point in time. Medical
All right,
supplies will
so.
help if we can. Those are really the basic items. School,
So let's see.
mental
So
health, psychosocial support. It's seen as almost as a luxury. At this
radio's
point in
on.
time. I mean, my team was telling
Both
me when they
VU
talk
meters
to
are
our
flopping
colleagues
around.
there, but also people in Rafah.
See that there? Okay,
They
so
are saying they are expecting to die
Yeah.
in Rafah if the situation goes on.
both VU meters are working and flopping and all that. Okay, so. Alright.
Yeah, that's what it's
Let's see here.
You can talk to Yanti Sarepto, President of Safety.
So. Let's try AM. Okay, so AM works. Alright, so I think that's, I can't remember what that is. Okay. So, alright, so now let's try the tape deck. I don't think the tape deck will work, but let's see here. This is eject. Okay. It opens. Let's see here. There we go. So, alright, so it opens like that. So it's got a soft eject. And okay, great. So that's in good condition. Alright, so I need a cassette. Let's put the cassette in. Alright. And hit. Oh wow! It rewinds. Oh no. No wait, no. Where's stop? Okay, that's pause. This is stop. Okay. It goes the other way. Oh my goodness. Okay. Is this stop? Okay. Let's try play. Nope, 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 nope. Stop. Stop. Okay. All right. Well, it needs the take up thing because it. Yeah. Okay. So. Yeah. No. Okay. So it needs the. It needs the take up reel. It needs a take up reel knob, and also probably the little pencil eraser style sized thing doing like that, which I have, but I don't have the wheel, and so I have some of those on order, and they should be arriving in about a week or so. So when I have time, I'll replace that in this, and then I'll be able to play a tape. But I'm surprised that it rewinds and fast forwards, so that's great. And see if we put it in play mode. See your faster. Okay. Let's play. Capstan is turning, but the I'm sorry, that's not play. This is play. Yeah, okay, the capstan is turning, but the take-up reel is not. So we need to repair that, and we have the parts and the knowledge to do that. So we will reserve that for a later time, and so on and so forth. And this does have, let's see here, this has your, okay, this is your phono, and then your line out, line in, okay, and it's got a, oh wow, okay, so it's got, and alright, they need to be cleaned, but they're not rusted, they're just got surface rust on them. Yeah, okay, great. So we're going to play with this later. This takes 10D batteries, it's 100 volts. I'll show that to you here in a moment. Let's see here. Okay, I'm happy about this. Alright, so let's see here. So let's see, just well, let's see, trying to hold this thing up here so you can see it. I don't know if you can see that, but that's what it is. Okay. See if you got any better light. Well, alright, well there it is. That's what it is. Okay, so to squint, I don't know. Alright, and let's see here. Do this. So it looks like that, right? And it looks like this on top. Okay, so there it is. Alright. Okay, and right, so that's all we know. Good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I'll turn this one off and just give me the camera. How about it? Alright, so let's see. So I played that little thing, which is the Boombox Deluxe. One little tidbit I'll tell you about the Boombox Deluxe. The format is either MP3 or WAV, but it has to be in FAT32, not NFTS. You have to format that to FAT32, otherwise it won't work. Okay. Who uses FAT32 anymore? Okay, so this one here looks just like that one does. Okay, but that's a 9696 with the 3 speakers, and this one does not have the 3 speakers. Okay, so yeah, I don't know if these, I don't think they come off. Yeah, they don't come off. They don't. Yeah, they don't come off. All right, that's fine. I don't need them to come off. And I'm just fine that they look like they do. All right, so am I blocking your view? All right, well, say goodbye. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.